We just looked at this question from section 1.8, I think it was number 18, in a separate video when we worked through how to find the equation using point slope form. Now, if you use the question help, sometimes it's going to show you a different method called, sorry, I just misphrased myself. We worked through it before using slope intercept form. If you look at the question help, it's going to use point slope form, a different method. Regardless of the two methods, you will start this the same way. You will identify your two ordered pairs. Your goal is to have an equation y equals mx plus b form, and you need to find the slope first. After that, things change, and instead of, instead of plugging back into y equals mx plus b, which is slope intercept form, we use a different form of the equation, point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So this is a perfectly good way to find the equation of a line. It's not one that I usually emphasize because it requires remembering another formula whose sole purpose is writing the equations of lines, whereas the other formula, y equals mx plus b, is so much more versatile, and if we can remember just this one formula, it can do all the things for us. But just for comparison, if you look in question help, you will see this other formula, and I thought I'd show you how you can use it, and perhaps you'll be more comfortable this way, and that's fine if that's the way you choose. All right, so if I'm using point slope form to write the equation of a line, I will still find my slope first, like I said, and I will insert my slope for m. Now, x1 and y1 here are the x and y coordinates of one of your ordered pairs. It actually could be either one, but we'll go with x1 and y1 from the first ordered pair. So the x1 value, the x coordinate of the first ordered pair, is 1, and the y1 value, the y coordinate of the first ordered pair, is 13,500. All right, so I'm going to copy this just so that I don't have to retype all of it. And then we're going to do the distribute right here. We're going to multiply our negative 2,900 to x and our negative 2,900 to negative 1. So negative 2,900 times x is negative 2,900x, and negative 2,900 times negative 1, the two negatives are going to make that positive, and 2,900 times 1 is 2,900. Right? A negative times a negative is a positive. And so we have the distribute done. We've distributed this and multiplied it to both parts of this parenthesis. All right. Now we want to get y by itself. And so we're going to add the 13,500 to both sides. So I'm just going to write underneath. I can't space things out on here. So I'm just going to write it one time to signify that we're adding it to both sides. I even make a note to both sides. I can't put space, so it's just going to be one little smushed up word right here. I can maybe hyphen them to both sides. I just can't hit space in this math type program. Spaces aren't an acceptable character, but anyway. So this would give me y equals, I'm adding the 3,000 or the 13,500 over, and then I get my negative 2,900x term, and then if I add 13,000 over to 2,900, that's going to give me 2,900 plus 13,500. It's going to give me the 16,400. So I get a plus 16,400. And that is the same thing that we got when we solved for b previously. It's just a different way to find the equation. Uses, instead of y equals mx plus b, which is slope intercept form, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. Point slope form takes in a point, the x and y coordinates here, and a slope, and can be used to write the equation in slope intercept form. So I saw from your solution that you had ended up there that it seemed like you had something similar to this where you were writing things this way. I'm assuming it's from question help, and that's completely fine if you choose to go this way. I'm going to give you the two options.